Hello, and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. You know, gardening can be a bit tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn a troubled garden around. So let's keep those gardens on track. And our question today comes from Anja, who lives in Zone 7B. So her question is, I've been learning all I can from your Abundance Garden series, and my garden is doing well except for a recent problem. I have had 3 raised beds, 2 made out of wood and 1 made out of aluminum. And my problem is a rodent. Last week I discovered a large hole in one of my beds that tunneled down more than a foot. I think it's a mole or a vole, and I don't know how to get rid of this rodent. The last time we flooded it, and it was gone for about a week, and now it's in my other raised beds and it's created holes near my beans, and I'm afraid that I may lose some of their roots. So what can I do? Okay, this is a really great question. You know, my brother in Indiana had the same problem. The voles ate his potatoes under the soil, and he didn't even know it until he dug the potatoes up at the end of the season. So the best way to keep voles and moles from getting into your garden is to line the bottom with a 1/2 or 1/4 inch hardware cloth. And you would have to do this when you're not growing in the garden bed. So then you'll have to take the soil out, line the bed, and then you can put the soil back in. The other things that you can do during the growing season to deter the pests is to put castor oil around the hole, and you can also get some vole repellent from the store. But really the bottom line is you want the hardware cloth under your bed so the mice and voles, they can't get in. If you live in an area where mice and voles, then consider putting in the hardware cloth before you fill your raised beds, or dig out your beds in the off season and put in the hardware cloth in the bottom of your beds. You're going to be really glad that you did. So if you have a garden question you would like answered, please click on the link below this video and submit your question. If you'd like to learn more about high-performance gardening and want to see us grow a whole season of vegetables week by week for 33 weeks, then go ahead and sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. In the show, we follow a high-performance garden from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. You know, this is really the best insider's look at watching everything that we do with the vegetable plants week after week, all season long. And we'll even show you a professional trellising system for your garden. The show is free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. So you want to go to livingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show, and you want to sign up there, or you can click the link below this video. So please subscribe to our channel for more high-performance garden information, and submit your garden questions so you can get the answers that you may need. So I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.